Welcome back. If you need help getting in your avocado intake, then come along and let's make some super quick and easy guacamole. I never really made guacamole. I think this is like my second time. And it seemed pretty easy enough. I don't have any tomatoes. I did see other people using tomatoes, but hey, we're going to use what we have. I did not want these avocados to go bad. And so the quickest thing I could come up with was making guacamole. I was supposed to either make avocado toast or put it in my salad, and neither one of those worked. So last resort was guacamole. All I needed was some salt, pepper, garlic. I got a little bit of onion powder, and I chopped up some shallots and some garlic. And then I also had some lime left over from one of my home chef meals. If you guys want to know about those, then check out my other home chef recipes and my reviews on those. But today is all about guacamole. I am cooking it in my mortar and pestle. Well, making it, I guess. Not really cooking because there's no heat involved. But I am making it in my mortar and pestle. This was my first time making guacamole inside of here, and it turned out really good. I thought it was a little bit too small for it, but hey, like I said, we're going to use what we have. I ended up just using 3 avocados. I do have another avocado, but I'm just going to leave that one out, and maybe I will eat it with maybe some tuna or something. But I need to definitely do it this week before it goes bad. This was really quick, really easy. And I just paired it with some Doritos at the end. It was really good. I'm not a big fan of just plain tortilla chips, so I ate them with Doritos. Doritos are like my equivalent to regular tortilla chips. The kids loved it, and my husband loved it as well. So that was a win-win. Everybody got to get their avocado intake in for the week. I also found some jalapenos, and I saw people put that inside of theirs as well. So I was like, okay, I didn't want it to be too spicy. So I didn't add any of the seeds, but then it wasn't really spicy at all. So I ended up just chopping all of it up, and then I just put maybe I think 1 or 2 seeds in there, or 3 seeds. But it wasn't spicy at all. I was afraid that maybe my kids wouldn't like it if it was too spicy, but it wasn't. It was really messy though, because like I said, this is very small, and I ended up putting 3 avocados in there, and then I just kept squeezing my lime. You could just do however much you like to your tasting. So I love that. It's very versatile. You can just make it to how you want to make it and what tastes best for you. This was really good, super quick, super easy, under 5 minutes to make. If you guys know a better guacamole recipe, go ahead and comment down below. If it's your first time here, please make sure to subscribe. I do make lifestyle, motherhood, and cooking content. So if you guys like that, then come along and make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.